to get the whole setup, so you got his fit fast. If you go from 9 to 350, bigger.
Oh! Changed my mind, Jim.
That takes, that's a $1,500. Hard, but it's just, you gotta take it apart, put the other tube in there.
Because the only other one that lasts a lot of would be 223.
Oh, yeah.
223 and then a bunch of 45.
I don't know if that square deal be a 223. Yeah, you'd have to ask them. Call them and ask them.
Oh, Hoga. So
Hoga.
they got
They're great about that. But I have found, other than my mistakes early on, I don't break.
This is the North American Arms
Clean a little bit. I probably only clean
mini revolver.
So, and then looping cases, you just line them up and, I mean, you run them through your deal, so you.
I take my cases and I'll put them on a paper towel and then I'll just spray them. I let them sit for about 2 minutes and I just pick up a paper towel and dump them in. I do 60 at a time. Dump them in.
You spray them all?
Yeah.
Or just like a
Yeah.
batch of them?
Huh?
Just like a batch of half of them?
Well, I face the opening away from me.
Yep.
Okay,
So you
now
don't
we're
get
ready
it
to
in.
go.
But the thing is when the powder dew goes down there,
Shoot
it
the
goes
bottom
to
one.
side and then puts the powder in. So it really doesn't bother it anymore. I just do it anyway.
Okay,
But,
yeah.
you know, the only time I get powder up around the lip is when I, powder stick, is when I pour one out to measure. And then I'm going left. I just kind of caught myself doing that a couple weeks ago, and I thought, I don't even need to weigh them. Some of those powders are tight for you.
Well, see, my other thing,
Dead on.
I'd like to shoot a lighter bullet and then start lightening up the loads just enough to get it, get it.
You shoot longer,
Well, you shoot longer, but you got less recovery.
Well, that's what I mean. You can stay out here and you can shoot a little more if
Yeah.
you need to.
Yeah. And then,
This is how
I
you
might look at
empty
that
it.
then.
Has to be in this half-cocked position. That allows the cylinder to come out.
Because I hate
And then you just
wasting
push
that.
out
First summer,
the
spent
spent cartridges.
Well, I don't mind it.
Yeah, but I enjoy it now. I used to sit
All right.
Good job. Great to deal with. They give you
Brian?
great advice.